Adding a WhatsApp chat button to your WordPress site is a fantastic way to enhance customer engagement and make communication smoother. As one of the most widely used messaging apps in the world, WhatsApp lets businesses connect with their audience instantly and effectively. Here at DWB Dubai Web Design, we're passionate about creating tailored websites and applications to meet the unique needs of businesses across the UAE and beyond. By adding tools like WhatsApp chat buttons, we help businesses build stronger connections with their customers and elevate their online presence. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to add a floating WhatsApp chat button to your WordPress website using one of the best plugins available. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, this feature will help you provide better support, boost satisfaction, and increase conversions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more web design tips and tutorials. Let's get started. How to add a floating WhatsApp chat button to your website. To add a floating WhatsApp logo to your website, you need to install and activate the Social Chat Click to Chat App Button plugin. Social Chat Click to Chat App Button. This plugin also has a premium version with additional features for website admins, but the free version is sufficient for most needs. Setting up the Click to Chat App plugin. Once the plugin is installed, a new menu labeled Social Chat will appear in your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the button section. Upon entering, you will see a configuration page with the following options: Button tab settings. Follow these steps to configure the button. Layout. Choose either a button or a bubble layout based on your preference. Box option. This feature is disabled by default, which means users are redirected to your WhatsApp chat page immediately after clicking. For a better user experience, enable this option. Rounded corners. Keep the setting as Add rounded borders. Position. Choose the button position based on your preference, usually bottom right. Text. Customize the text displayed to the user. A common option is, "How can I assist you today?" This text will appear for the user to click. Box tab settings. If you enabled the box option in the button tab, additional settings in the box tab need to be configured. Header text. Add a welcoming message at the top of the chat box such as, "Hello. Do you have a question?" For a quick response, click the support link below. Footer text. Add a closing message at the bottom of the box such as, "Our website support team is here to help you." Contacts tab settings. If you enabled the box option, you'll also need to configure the Contacts tab. The free version of this plugin allows you to set up only one support number, while the premium version lets you add multiple numbers for support purposes. To configure your support contact, click Edit under the Actions column to access the Edit page. Name field. Enter the first name of the support contact. The last name is optional. Label. Assign a role to this contact, such as sales support or technical assistance. Phone field. Enter your phone number without the leading 0 and include the country code, e.g., 971 for UAE. Time zone. Set the time zone. Available hours. Enter the hours you're available to assist customers. Available days. Specify your working days. Profile image. Click the upload button on the to select a logo or image for this support contact. Click Save and then Close. Finalizing the setup. Once you've completed the configurations, your website will have a sleek WhatsApp chat button, similar to this. Customizing fonts and styles. If you want to adjust the font or size, navigate to the Scheme tab in the plugin settings. If you're familiar with CSS, you can also add custom fonts and styles to further personalize the chat button. Your WhatsApp chat button is now fully functional and ready to enhance your website's user experience. That's it. Now you know how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your WordPress site and enhance communication with your customers. This small but effective feature can make a big difference in improving user satisfaction and boosting your business's success. At DWB Dubai Web Design, we're here to help you take your website to the next level with tailored solutions and expert advice. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more web design tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.